Dear brothers and sisters, the gospel today gives us a beautiful, urgent picture of the mission of Jesus. Saint Matthew tells us Jesus went around to all the towns and villages, teaching, proclaiming the gospel, and curing every disease and illness. Then, seeing the crowds, his heart was moved with compassion, for they were troubled and abandoned like sheep without a shepherd. This moment reveals two things. First, the depth of Jesus' mercy. Second, his desire to share his mission with others. He does not only act out of compassion, he invites the disciples to join him in that mission. He gives them authority, sends them out, and tells them, "Go, proclaim the kingdom, cure the sick, raise the dead, cleanse the lepers, cast out demons. Without cause you have received, without cause you are to give." Brothers and sisters, the gospel is deeply connected to the spirit of Advent. Jesus saw the crowd not just with his eyes but with his heart. Advent invites us to do the same. This is a season when many feel lost, tired, and burdened. Some families face financial struggles. Many feel lonely, and some carry wounds that no one else sees. If Jesus' heart was moved with compassion, then ours must be too. Advent is not just preparing for Christmas decorations, food, or gifts. It is preparing our hearts to love like Christ loves. Brothers and sisters, Advent sends us just like the disciples. Jesus empowered his disciples and sent them out. Advent is our sending season. As we prepare for Christmas, the Lord sends us out with the same mission. Bring healing where there is hurt. Bring peace where there is conflict. Bring generosity where there is need. Bring Christ where he is forgotten. The gifts we prepare for Christmas are meaningful, but the greatest gift we can give is the compassion of Christ. Without cause, you have received. Without cause, you are to give. And so preparing for Christmas means becoming messenger of God's love, which he also revealed to us by sending the greatest gift the world received during the first Christmas. Every time we patiently listen to someone, we help the troubled. Every time we give without expecting return, we proclaim the kingdom. Every time we forgive, we help cast out demons of anger and resentment. And every time we choose kindness, we prepare a place for the child Jesus to be born again, not in Bethlehem, but in our hearts and our homes. Dear friends, brothers and sisters, Christmas is near, but Advent tells us, do not rush, prepare. Prepare not only your homes, but your heart. Let us ask the Lord to give us his compassion. Let us ask him to send us as laborers into the harvest. And let us make this Advent a time when our faith becomes visible through love. As we draw closer to Christmas, may we become living reminders of Jesus' presence in the world. People who give without counting the cost, because we ourselves have received so much from God's mercy. Amen.